Have you ever felt like you're falling behind while everyone else is soaring ahead? It's a feeling we all know. But what if the secret to flying higher isn't about being the first to take off? Imagine this: a sky just before dawn, tinged with shades of purple and deep blue. Flocks of birds are already taking to the air, chirping and chasing the fading stars. They're the early birds, the go-getters, seizing the day before it even begins. But amidst this flurry of activity, one small bird sits patiently on a branch, still and watchful. She isn't anxious, she isn't late, she's waiting. While others flew early into the dim light, she waited for the sunrise. Her friends call out, "Why do you wait? The sky is clear, the day has begun." She just chirps softly in reply, her eyes fixed on the horizon. To them, she might seem hesitant or even lazy, but she knows a secret they don't. She understands the rhythm of the world, the promise of the coming light. As the other birds become distant specks in the twilight, a single brilliant sliver of gold appears on the edge of the world. It's the first touch of the sun. The sky begins to transform, painting itself with strokes of orange, pink, and vibrant gold. The world awakens in a symphony of color. The little bird watches this magical display, her heart filled with a quiet joy. Now, she speaks more to herself than to anyone else. "The right light always arrives," she whispers. "It's not just about seeing the world. It's about seeing it in its most beautiful, most inspiring form." The early birds flew in the grayness, but she is about to fly through a world bathed in golden splendor. The warmth of the sun's first rays touches her feathers, filling her with energy and hope. She understands that rushing can mean missing the most spectacular moments. Patience isn't about doing nothing. It's about waiting for the perfect moment to act. It's about having faith that your time will come, and when it does, it will be more glorious than you could have ever imagined. The world doesn't reward just speed. It rewards timing, wisdom, and a deep connection to the natural flow of life. The little bird now prepares to fly. The air is warmer, the path is clearer, and the world below is illuminated in breathtaking detail. Every leaf, every flower, every dewdrop sparkles. This is the view she was waiting for. This is the journey she was meant to have. It's a reminder that our own journeys are much the same. We see others achieving their goals, moving forward, and we might feel pressure to keep up, to rush our own process. But what if our moment is still on the horizon? What if the light we're waiting for is just about to break through the clouds, promising a more brilliant path? True success isn't a race. It's about aligning ourselves with our own unique timing, trusting our instincts, and having the courage to wait for what truly matters. Patience isn't a delay. It's a period of preparation, of gathering strength, of watching and learning. With a final, joyful chirp, the little bird spreads her wings. They catch the golden light, making her look like a creature of fire and sun. She launches into the air, not with frantic energy, but with a peaceful, powerful grace. She soars through the magnificent sunrise, her heart full, her spirit free. She flies higher and with more purpose than those who left in the dark. This is the beauty of waiting for your moment. It's the wisdom in knowing that patience blooms where time listens. Your sunrise is coming. It might not be on someone else's schedule, but it will be perfectly timed for you. And when it arrives, your flight will be all the more spectacular. We hope this story inspires you. Learning English isn't just about words. It's about the powerful stories they can tell. Continue to learn English with stories like this one, and remember to wait for what's worth flying for. Your journey is your own, and it's unfolding just as it should. Thank you so much for watching with us today. If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We can't wait to share the next one with you. See you soon.